Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and in today's video, I'm going to bring you a quick garden update. So, I had videoed this earlier, and I didn't have my microphone on to help cut back on the freeway noise. It is pretty loud. So, this is the lettuce up on the deck here. I had, as you can see, I've got it. I've trimmed this one. We've eaten some of this, and I've got some regrowth coming back. This I have to trim next, which is probably either going to be today or early tomorrow morning. So let's go down to the garden and see what's going on. It has been raining like every other day here. Seriously, I'm not kidding. We've had some pretty good thunderstorms in the middle of the night, which is fine. Doesn't bother me any. The blueberry bushes are still struggling. One looks really struggled, but they're doing better. My husband has been checking the pH on them, and they are doing much better. And this blueberry bush from Walmart, look at it's got berries on it already. Now who would have figured that a plant from Walmart? I'm telling you, I worked at Walmart even. I've had my issues with Walmart plants. Some good, some bad. Let's move on from that. The asparagus is looking really good. We can't harvest any of it, as you know. It has grown back from when my husband had given it a trim. We have some growth over here, and what we didn't think we'd have any growth. There's some there, and there. We're just letting things be. Before it gets really hot in July here, right now it's still really cool, but before the heat waves come, my husband's not gonna even this out. But when the heat waves come, he's gonna even this out, and he's gonna get some bark so that we don't lose those. Coming over here, the bush beans are doing absolutely wonderful. We've got beautiful flowering going on. I have not seen a lot of bees this year out here. Well, first of all, my flowers haven't been blooming, so I don't see any bees to do any pollinating. So if they're out here when I'm not here, yay. But yeah, I should be able to get some beans here soon. Probably not going to get enough for canning, just for fresh eating, but I'm okay with that because I can buy locally and I can can from that because we did that last year. We went to the farmer's market and I was able to can uh, green beans that way. Over here, the tomatoes are doing absolutely wonderful. My husband got some fertilizer spikes for them, and that seems to be doing the trick. These beans here that I planted, um, actually, I planted them here and I planted more than one seed. So I had two of them coming up, then I transplanted them. They're struggling, so we'll see if they survive. The ones that I had left there are doing absolutely wonderful. So the peas are doing so good because we've had cool weather. We've only had 3 days that it's been like you feel like you've been in hell. Um, but now July is here and it's going to get hot and humid again. But the peas are doing wonderful. I did some picking. I'll insert that here. But they are looking wonderful, wonderful. So I got about a 24-ounce container of snap peas. We love to eat these fresh. And it's been cool and they're growing really good. Once that humidity and high heat come, they'll probably start dying off. The lettuce here is doing okay. It's not ready to harvest yet. That's fine. The radishes, I don't know. I pulled one day. They're not really getting that big. Um, I don't know what I'm doing wrong with radishes. Some of them have flowered, so I've been trying to make sure that they don't bolt so that they can keep growing fruit underneath the ground. Fingerling potatoes are doing wonderful. Now, I have not seen um, flowers on these, but my husband said he's seen some flowers on the fingerling potatoes that were over here. So if they're getting knocked off, whatever, I'm okay with it. These look luscious. We'll see what I get underneath the dirt. The Yukon potatoes are like a massive jungle. I'm okay with that though. Hopefully I get a good abundance of potatoes. We'll see. I take what I'm given. Not a professional gardener. Never want to be. Never going to be. Um, but yeah, these are looking really good. The wildflowers over here, they're taking their good old time. But they'll grow up. At least the bees will have something more close at the end of August. Morning glories as well. I had lost a whole bunch that I had planted, so I replanted. Things are going good. They're just going really slow. So the bees will have a wonderful time in August as well. August and September before I shut the garden down. And so I have the mixture of fingerling potatoes and some Yukon potatoes. These were just leftovers of what I had from both the other beds here. All right. So that was a quick garden update of what's been going on. It's the beginning of July. I don't have a lot in my garden, but what I do have, it's looking really good. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.